In this video class, I am going to discuss about the position of a point in straight lines. Here, this is one of the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Here, this is x1, y1, x2, y. Here, 2 points are there. The ratio in which the line ax plus by plus c equals 0 divides the line segment joining the 2 points x1, y1, x2, y. This one I am taking A, this is the B point. So here I am taking P be a point, that is the point of intersection of the line segment and the line, in the ratio lambda is to 1 or m is to n, you can take anything. Then the coordinates of P is equals to, here I am using section formula. Here P be a point, that is the common point, that one divides the line segment AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. Then the coordinates of P, here I am using section formula, lambda x2 plus 1 into x1 by m plus n, lambda plus 1, lambda y2 plus y1 by lambda plus 1. Where is that point? That point lies on ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Here P lies on ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Otherwise, this line passes through that point. So, it satisfies in the place of x comma y. If I substitute the two coordinates, that line satisfies only. In the place of x, you can substitute lambda x2 plus x1 by lambda plus 1 plus b into lambda y2 plus y1 by lambda plus 1 plus c, that is equal to 0. Here I am taking LCM, a lambda x2 plus a x1 plus b lambda y2 plus b y1 plus c into lambda plus 1, that is equal to 0. Here I have taken LCM, c into lambda plus 1, c lambda plus c. That LCM we can transfer the standard 0 into anything, 0. So, from these three terms I am taking lambda as common. ax2 plus by2 plus c. Rest of the terms I am writing ax1 plus by1 plus c, that is equal to 0. So here lambda into ax2 plus by2 plus c, that is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. Lambda is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by ax2 plus by2 plus c. This one simply we can write minus L11. L11 means in the given line, in the place of x comma y, you can substitute the first point coordinates only, by L22. Second point coordinates you can substitute in that. Lambda is to 1. Lambda by 1, that is nothing but lambda is to 1. That is equals to minus L11 is to L22. And here one more thing, note number 1. Previous also we discussed that one in the section formula. If it divides, P divides the line segment AB in the ratio. If the ratio is positive, the point divides internally. The ratio is positive. Positive means here total should be less than 0. L11 into L22 should be less than 0. Minus into minus plus we can get. Then the point divides internally. Internally means that whatever the 2 points lie on the either side of that line only. If L11 into L22 is less than 0, total value, if it is less than 0, negative into negative plus. So this point divides internally, the line segment joining the 2 points. Internally means the 2 points lie on the opposite side of the line. Then side of L is equal to 0. Opposite side of L is equal to 0. Next, one more point. If L11 into L22 is greater than 0, if it is greater than 0, ratio is negative. So the line divides externally. Externally means both the points lie on the same side. Both the points lie on same side of the line. Now we can discuss some problems related to this concept. Here one line and 2 points are given. Here if the line 3x plus 4y minus 8 equals to 0 is denoted by L, then the points 2 minus 5, minus 5 comma 2. Their options are given. Lie on the line. Second option, lie on same side of L. Third option, opposite side of L. Fourth option, equidistant from L. So one by one options you can verify otherwise. First, 2 comma minus 5. If I substitute in that equation, whether it satisfies or not, we can check that one. 3 2 are 6. Minus 20 minus 8. That is not equal to 0. Not satisfying. That one also not satisfies only. Now, same side or opposite side, we can check that one. So for that, first we can find out the value of L11 into L22. What is L11? In the place of x comma y, you can substitute the first coordinates. 3 into, in the place of x you can put 2, plus 4 into, in the place of y you can substitute 5, minus 8 is there. This is L11. That is L11. Next, L22. What is L22? In the place of x comma y, substituting second coordinates of the point. 3 into minus 5 plus 4 into 2 minus 8. So 6 minus 20 minus 8 minus 28 minus 15 plus 8 minus 8. Here these two gets cancelled. This is negative, this is also negative. Negative into negative we can get a positive value. L11 into L22 greater than 0. Greater than 0 means both the points lie on the same side of the line. Here depends upon the magnitude only. If it is positive quantity, both the points lie on the same side. If you get a negative quantity, both the points either side or opposite side of the given line. Here so many interesting problems also there we can discuss. Here the range of alpha for which the points lie on opposite side of 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. Here lie on opposite side. Opposite side means L11 into L22 should be less than 0. If you get greater than 0, both the points are same side. Less than 0, opposite side. What is L11? In the place of x comma y, 2 into, substituting first coordinates. 2 alpha plus 3 into alpha plus 2 minus 6 into L22 2 into 3 alpha by 2 plus 3 into alpha square minus 6, that is less than 0. Here now simplify this one. 2 alpha plus 3 alpha plus 6 minus 6 into, here 2 gets cancelled. Here this is 3 alpha square plus 3 alpha minus 6 less than 0. Here these 2 gets cancelled. This is 5 alpha into, this is 3 alpha square plus 3 alpha minus 6. Dividing with 3 on both sides. 3 is the positive quantity. Alpha square plus alpha minus 2 less than 0. Here also 5 you can transfer that side. Alpha into, if I factorize this one, alpha minus 1 less than 0. Quadratic expression we got, we can factorize that one, alpha plus 2 into alpha minus 1. Here total 3 factors are there, linear factors. In any inequality, either 2 or more than 2 linear factors are there, better to follow the Wavy method. Here minus infinite to plus infinite. Here zeros of the alpha. Alpha equals 0, alpha equals minus 2, alpha is equals 1. Arrange on the number line in order. Minus 2, 1, 0. Sorry. Here you can get 0, here you can get 1. Now, right side, first subinterval. Always you can get the first value, you can if you substitute any real value in between 1 to infinite, you can get first value. Here negative, here positive, here negative. What is the product of these three? Negative. So here we have to consider the negative intervals. Alpha belongs to minus infinite to minus 2 union 0 to 1. Open brackets only. Here the boundaries, how to know that one? Here we have to keep open or closed. You can substitute in that inequality minus 2. Minus 2, if I substitute that one, 0 less than 0 we are getting. This is the false statement only. If I substitute that boundary, if you get the false statement that is not satisfied, then you can put a open bracket. If it is satisfies, for example, here if I get 0 less than or equals to 0, that is the true statement only. Then you can substitute, then you can put a closed bracket. So that boundaries, here only one confusion is there. That the boundaries minus plus infinity minus infinity, always you can keep open brackets only. In that boundaries, what to keep, open brackets or closed brackets? Simply you can substitute in that inequality. If you get the true statement, that is a closed bracket. If you get the false statement, you can put an open bracket. So for these values of alpha, here both the points lie on opposite side of the given line. Here same similar problem I will write one more. Here 1 plus t by root 2, 2 plus t by root 2. Those are the coordinates of a point, beginning point on a line, then the range of values of t for which p lies between the parallel lines. Here two lines are given. For example, here I am taking 2 points. Minimum 2 points are required to draw a straight line. If x equals to 0, y is equals to 1 by 2, and if y is equals to 0, x equals to 1. And here also, if x equals to 0, y is equals to 15 by 4, y is equals to 0, 15 by 2. I am drawing both the lines to get the clarity. 0 comma 1 by 2, maybe here it is there. 0 comma 1 by 2, 1 comma 0. This is one of the line. This is x plus 2y, first line of x plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. And here 0 comma 15 by 4, nearly 0 comma 4, and 7.5 comma 0. Like this. This is the second line. Now what they are saying here, any point, then the range of values of t for which p lies between. So if p in between both the points, both the lines, p be a point. But here how to get the inequalities? Now take one more point. Here I am taking origin. Simplification also, calculation part also very simple. If I take this one, you can take any point in this region, or that region also you can take any point. But calculation, it takes some time. But if I take 0 comma 0 instead of that one, very simple calculation. Now what about these 2 points with respect to this line? Lie on the opposite side of this line, L1 equals to 0. This one I am taking L1 equals to 0. This one I am taking L2 is equals to 0. By observing the first line, these 2 points lie on the opposite side. Opposite side means here L11 into L22 should be less than 0. substitute the first line here only. L11 means you can substitute, if I substitute 0, 0 minus 1 I am getting 0, 0 minus 1. And what about the point P? Into 1 plus P by root 2 plus 2 into what about y value? Here 2 plus P by root 2 minus 1. This is L11 into L22 is less than 0. X plus 2y minus 1. Now here negative is there, if I transpose that side, otherwise if I multiply with minus, the sign changes only, less than becomes greater than. Here 1 plus P by root 2 plus 4 plus 2P by root 2 minus 1 is greater than 0. This is a 3T by root 2 plus 1 minus 1 both gets cancelled. Here greater than minus 4. 3T is greater than minus 4 root 2 or T is greater than minus 4 root 2 by 3. Here we got one inequality by taking the first line. So that inequality you can keep aside. T is greater than minus 4 root 2 by 3. We can keep aside that one. Next, we can solve the next one also. What about the next one? About this line, what about these 2 points lie on the same side? Same side means L11 into L22. L11 into L22 should be more than 0. If both the points lie on the same side, greater than 0. L11, 0 if I substitute that one, 0, 0, minus, in this minus 50 we are getting into L22. So these coordinates I am substituting. 2 plus 2 into x, 1 plus a t by root 2 plus 4 into 2 plus a t by root 2 minus 15. L11 into L22 should be greater than 0 if both the points lie on the same side. Opposite side L11 into L22 less than 0. We got one inequality, I kept aside that one. Now solving next one also. These 2 points lie on the same side of this line and equals 0. So here L11 into L22 should be more than 0. Here also multiplying with dividing with minus 15. Here 2 plus 2t by root 2 plus 8 plus 4t by root 2 minus 15 is less than 0. Here I divided with the minus 15. Whenever we are multiplying or dividing with the negative quantity, at the same time we have to change the inequality sign. Greater than becomes less than becomes greater than. 4 plus 2, 60 by root 2 plus 10, here minus 5. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 minus 15 minus 5 less than 5. That implies t is less than 5 root 2 by 6. T is more than that one, more than minus 4 root 2 by 3 and less than 5 root 2 by 6. For these values of t, that point lies in between both the lines. That point lies in between both the lines. Next one more. If the point a square comma a, p a square comma a lies in the region corresponding to acute angle between the lines. Here 2 lines are given. X minus 2y that is equal to 0 and another line x minus 4y that is equal to 0. First we can see the nature of the lines, how they are. Here what is the slope of this one? Minus a by b. Here I am taking tan alpha alpha is the angle inclination, that is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. Slope definition only, that one by 2. And here I am taking beta. Beta is the inclination, that is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. Then tan beta we say slope only, that is equals to minus a by b minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that is 1 by 4. So tan is increasing function only, that one. Here tan value, here I got 1 by 4, here I got 1 by 2. This is the lesser value. So this slope is less than, this is x minus 4y is equal to 0. X minus 4y, that is equal to 0. This slope is more than this one. That's why here x minus 2y, that is equal to 0. This is the lesser slope. This is the greater than the slope, 1 by 2. Now the point P lies in the region. This is the acute angle only between these two. Outside this is the obtuse angle. This is the acute angle between the two lines. So here a square comma a lies in between the acute angle a square comma a. Now here how to get the inequality? Previous also in the previous for third problems I told you have to create one more point. Either in this region or in this region you can create any other point. Here I am taking for a simple calculation you can take a simple coordinates only. Here 1 comma 0. Otherwise if you want you can take 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 2, you can take anything. Or in the first x-axis also you can take 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3 like that. You can take any point, or in the first direction of x-axis also. Or in this region also we can take so many points. At the same time you have to think about the calculation part also. Now about this line, what about these 2 points lie on the opposite side? So L11 into L22 should be less than 0. These 2 points lie on the either side of this line. So L11 into L22 for this one. But what about this line? These 2 points on the same side of that line. So L11 into L22 greater than 0. Two inequalities we are getting, L11 into L22 greater than 0, comma, for this line L11 into L22 less than 0. Greater than 0. If I substitute 1 comma 0 here, 1 comma 0, 1. L22 a square minus 2a is greater than 0, and here 1 comma 0 1 only. L22 a square minus 4a is less than 0. Here also we got 2 inequalities. With respect to this line, both the points lie on either side. So L11 into L22 should be less than 0. With respect to this line, these 2 points lie on the same side. So here L11 into L22 should be more than 0. That only I have written here. Here I am taking a as common, a minus 2 greater than 0, and a into a minus 4 is less than 0. Here take the number line. Minus infinite to plus infinite, a is equal to 0 and a is equal to 2 plus minus 2 plus more than 0. So here a belongs to minus infinite to 0 union 2 to infinite. Next one here, if I take the number line 0, 4 plus minus 2 plus. So here a belongs to 0 to 4. So it consider the negative interval. See, here all these values satisfy this inequality, all these values satisfies that inequality. What are the common values? Satisfies both the inequalities. Minus infinite to plus infinite. Here 0 to 4. First inequality region minus infinite to 0. Minus infinite to 0. Union 2 to infinite. This is the region of the first inequality. Here 0 to 4. 0 to 4. This is the second inequality. Now what about the common region? Common region only here it is there, 2 to 4. A belongs to 2 to 4. For those values of A, that point lies in between both the and lies in between the acute angle, the region containing the acute angle. Here next, the set of values of B for which the origin and the point 1, 1 lie on the same side of the line a square x plus aby plus 1 equals to 0. For all A belongs to R and B greater than 0 R, here options are given. Here origin and the point lie on the same side of this line. Therefore, L11 into L22 should be more than 0. Same side means greater than 0. Opposite side means less than 0. L11 in this equation you can substitute x comma y in the place of x comma y. We will get 1 only in that expression only. This one only that will take. L22 in the place of x comma y you can put 1 comma 1 a square plus ab plus 1, that is more than 0. So here what we got, inequality a square plus b into a plus 1 is greater than 0. This is the quadratic expression in terms of a. Here in the quadratic equations, ax square plus bx plus c, this is f of x I am taking. Here delta b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is less than 0 and x square coefficient is greater than 0. X square coefficient is positive. Here a square coefficient is positive. Then what about the nature of the curve here? B square minus 4ac less than 0 means that one never cuts the or never touches the x-axis. A greater than 0. So it depends upon the x square coefficient. If it is positive, here ax square plus bx plus c f of x equals to x square plus bx plus c always represents a parabola. Either opens upwards or opens downwards only. Opens upwards or opens downwards. Depends upon the x square coefficient. Here x square coefficient is positive, opens upwards. X square coefficient is negative, opens downwards. And b square minus 4ac less than 0 never cuts the x-axis and opens upwards like this one. So here for every x belongs to R, what about f of x here? Greater than 0. X square plus bx plus c, always it takes positive values only. For example, f of x equals to x square plus x plus 1. Here x square coefficient is positive. Here for every, and b square minus 4 is less than 0. Here for every x belongs to R, here f of x should be greater than 0. You can substitute any real value in the place of x, you will get a positive value. That is the concept in a quadratic expression, sign of the quadratic expression. Now, here this is the quadratic expression. Here for every a belongs to R, for every a belongs to R, total value of the expression is more than 0. And a square quotient is positive. That's why here what about b square minus 4ac, delta should be less than 0. Delta b square, the place of b is there, b square minus 4a, a square quotient, that is a, c constant term, that should be less than 0. Here b square minus 4 is less than 0. Here 4 we can write it 2 square also, b square minus 2 square, b plus 2 into b minus 2 less than 0. If you want you can take the number line, or b lies in between minus 2 to 2 we can write directly, minus infinite to plus infinite. Zeros of the b. First subinterval, always you can put a positive value, here negative, here positive. Here if I substitute any real value in between, starting your first subinterval, always it gives a positive value. Alternatively, this sign changes only. Here negative, here positive. So what about the product of these two? Negative. So here we have to consider negative interval, minus 2 to 2. Here b square minus 4ac. Right. So minus 2 to 2 you get it. Thank you. Here next and last. The set of values of a if the points lie on the same side of this line. Same side means L11 into L22 should be more than 0. L11 3 into 1 minus 5 into 2 plus A into L22 in the place of xy substitute the second coordinates. 3 into 3 minus 5 into 420 plus A is greater than 0. 3 minus 10 minus 7 plus A. Here minus 11 plus A, that is greater than 0. A minus 7 into A minus 11 greater than 0. Therefore, if I take the number line, you can get A belongs to minus infinite to 7 union 11 to infinite. If you want, you can see this. 7, 11. First subinterval positive, negative, positive. Here what is the product of these two? Positive. So here we have to consider the first two